at Butcher's. We're at the Boone'S Butcher Shop. Just wanted to show y'all their products. Thank you for joining me today. I made it back from the Boone'S Butcher Shop. This is what I've got. Got some pork tenderloins, some like really thin breakfast chops. I've got some hamburger patties. Got this pepperoni log for $1.99. I've got some hamburger meat, some steaks, some hot pepper cheese, pizza crust mix, some biscuit mix. These are Kentucky Proud products. I also got some L8s. I got them in the fridge already. Stay tuned to see what I fix. I'm gonna use the pork tenderloin for supper tonight. Okay, I'm in my camper and I've got my pork tenderloin I'm gonna fix for supper. Let's see. I've got this I'm gonna fix for supper and I wanna show you how I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna make a marinade. I'm gonna add some oil to my, I'm just gonna eyeball it. Okay, I have just got this in. This is Uncle Steve's, the original shake. I'm gonna try it. I've never tried it before, but everybody says it's really good. So I wanna try it. That smells good. I'm just gonna sprinkle some in here. I'm gonna use it in my marinade. That was probably about a tablespoon. I'm going to add some garlic powder. I love garlic powder. Some pepper. And I'm just eyeballing it, just kind of guessing about how much I need. Some salt. I'll stir these up a little bit. Okay, and this is the L8 I got at Boone'S Butcher Shop too. They make these in Kentucky. I'll add this to the marinade. This is actually like a ginger ale. If you've never seen it before, it's like a ginger ale. Okay, I got that all mixed up. Now I'm going to add my pork tenderloin. I'm going to let these set in here for a few hours and let them just coat all over. And I'm just going to cover them up and let them set in the refrigerator until I get ready to grill them. I got some plastic wrap. Just going to put over these. I'm going to let them marinate in the fridge till I get ready to grill them. Probably about 3 hours. So I'm going to let them set. You can also let it sit overnight if you wanted to. Okay, I'll bring you back whenever I get them on the grill. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to start cutting these potatoes up. I'm going to grill out potatoes with our pork chops. I'm just going to slice them in some thin slices. Okay, now I'm going to wash these really good. And I've got one of these aluminum pans that I'm going to use on my grill. I have sprayed it. I'm going to slice up an onion. And then I just want to put this all over the potatoes. And then I've got a bell pepper. Rinse it off a little bit. Now I'm going to drizzle a little oil on here. Then I've got some more of this Uncle Steve shake. I'm going to try this on my potatoes. Just sprinkle it all over. some garlic powder, some pepper, some salt, then I'm going to add a little bit of water to these so they'll steam. Okay, now I'm going to put my tin foil on here and get these ready for the grill. I'm putting my pork tenderloin on the grill. I like mine to get really brown. I like that taste that it gives it. I'm going to use this Uncle Steve's shape, the original flavor, and just sprinkle it all over. Okay, I'm going to let it cook. Turn them over. See how good and brown they are? That's the way I like them. We just love camping. It's so much fun. It's a good way to get away from everything and enjoy yourself. Okay, now I'm going to take them up. I'm going to put them in an aluminum pan. See how brown and delicious they look. Okay, now I'm going to use my leftover L8 that I had used for my marinade. And I'm going to let these cook in that. They will get so tender. And it soaks up all of that deliciousness from the L8. You just cover it with aluminum foil. Okay, now I've put some, about 2 tablespoons of butter on my aluminum foil on the grill that I had cooked the pork chops on. I'm going to let that melt. Now I'm going to add my onions and my bell peppers to the butter and kind of saute them a little bit. And I had picked up some frozen green beans from Walmart. They are like the string green beans, the really little ones. I'm going to use those today. Okay, now that the onions and peppers get a little tender, I want to add the frozen green beans to my grill and let them grill. I'm also going to add some more of the Uncle Steve's to this. I really like the Uncle Steve's. It was really good. It had a really good flavor to it. Don't those look beautiful? Yummy. Okay, now I'm going to add some cheese to my potatoes and some, I'm going to let this is cheddar cheese. I'm gonna add some real bacon pieces to it. And then cover and let the cheese melt. Okay, here's our food. Here's the sauteed or grilled onions, peppers, and green beans. And our pork tenderloin. And our buttered potatoes. All on the grill from Boone'S Butcher Shop. Looks delicious. So how does it taste, Doc?
Oh, it tastes good.
Is it good?
Just can't eat it fast enough.
Are you having fun camping?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I always enjoy camping.